Alright guys, welcome to Learnlyte. This is the first video in a series of videos aimed at teaching you how to program in Java. So if you've never programmed before, this is also a great introductory video, as by the end of this series you should be able to program in Java quite efficiently. So it's aimed to take you from a complete novice to a more competent programmer in Java. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to talk about is the Java programming language. What is Java? Well, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java can be used in many applications such as building software, websites, computer games, etc. It is a very robust, secure, and easy to learn computer language. Alright? So, getting ready to program in Java. So before we start to write any Java programs, we're going to need to get a few things first. We're going to get set up first. So the first thing that we will need is to download the Java JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. The second thing we will need is selecting a good IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So before we write any program in Java, we're going to have to set these things up first. So the first thing we need is the Java JDK. So let's go down to our internet browser. I'm going to type in download Java JDK. It's going to take me to this website, Oracle. And right here you can see JDK download. Click on that. And here we have the different Java JDK that we can download. We have one for Linux, one for Mac, and one for Windows. So I'm using a Windows machine, so I would download this one, the Windows 64 installer. So you can go ahead and click this and install it, and you will have the Java JDK. So I've already done that. I already have Java on my machine, so I don't need to install it. And you can check that you have Java installed by simply going to your command line, and you can type in Java -version. If you go ahead and enter, Java -version, hit enter, and you can see right here you have your Java version that you're using. So granted, if you've downloaded the Java JDK properly and installed it properly, and you go in your command line and you do this, you should see your Java version correctly shown. Now, the next thing that we said that we needed was the IDE, selecting a good integrated development environment, right? So, what are some good IDEs? So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to type in Java IDE. And here you can see some of the most popular IDEs out there for Java. We have Eclipse, which is a really good one. This is also a free one. I recommend this. It's very good. You can download the one for Windows or Mac or Linux, whichever one of your system preferences. Another good one is also NetBeans. This is also a free one. And you can download NetBeans from their website. This is also a free and very good editor for Java. You can see right here how it shows you the Java IDE in action. Oh no, the one that I'm using or going to use is the IntelliJ IDE. This is an IDE from JetBrains, but this is not a free IDE. This is a paid for one, so you're gonna have to pay for this one. This is the one that I use, and it's very good. It's very much worth the money. So it's not free, but I can tell you it's very much worth the money. And I'm not getting paid by JetBrains to endorse their product, but it's just really good. And another good one that I also recommend is BlueJ. Now this one is also free. This one is free, I should say. And you can download whichever one you want, whether it be for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Alright, and those are the 4 that I recommend. I haven't used any of these ones over here, so I don't know if they're any good or not, but these 4 I recommend, and this is the one that I'll be using going forward. Okay, so once you've completely set up your JDK and you select which IDE that you want to use, then you should be ready and set to write your first program in Java. But for now, in this video, I just want you to get set up with your JDK and get set up with your IDE. In the next video, we're going to be writing our very first program in Java. So, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are posted. And once again, thank you for watching.